What is this?
Whether you're a first-time learner or a seasoned veteran, this course is for you.
Wait a second, Bobby. You run a Coder Foundry Bootcamp. That's $15,000. That's a lot of money. You can't be serious. Your course is probably going to be expensive. I bet bare minimum it's going to be, thousands of dollars. Wait, what? $99 a month? So it's $1,200 per year? I don't know. Wait, what? It's $129 right now for the whole year? You mean the same material you guys teach at your bootcamp? Oh my God, this is a steal. I better get it. Oh, wait a second. I already bought it. Hey guys, welcome to Coding After 30. In this video, I just want to share about this amazing deal that I saw. Now, you know me, I'm a big React guy, and that's actually what I still recommend for you guys who are just starting out. But the truth is, in some areas, React is not as popular as ASP.NET. And so there are more jobs available in ASP.NET. Now, that's not how I did it. I studied React and eventually got my first job. But while working at my first job, I actually fell in love with C# and I started learning ASP.NET development. Now, if you're on the fence, and regardless what you're going to do, you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you've been learning React, don't stop, continue, because that's how I got the job. But if you look in your area and you haven't started learning and you're looking to learn something that will get you a job, C# and ASP.NET will definitely do it. Bobby from Coder Foundry runs an amazing bootcamp. Now, the reason why I didn't go is because I already got a job, but if I didn't have a job and I was struggling to get one, I would definitely want to go to his bootcamp. I really love what they do. I was surprised to find out that they decided to teach the same thing they do at their bootcamp and offer it in a self-paced course. Now, that is amazing because you're getting exactly the same things they're doing at bootcamp for a fraction of the price. Now, if you get the pre-order right now, it is a steal. It's $129. It's unbelievable. I mean, I picked it up because I get access to all their material when the course comes out for the whole year at $129. That's less than $10 a month. I mean, that's insane. Now, when they will finally release the course, I believe the price is going to be $99 a month. And even at that price, it's still an amazing deal because you're getting the same material they teach at their $15,000 bootcamp and you're getting it for a fraction of the cost. Now, if you want to save big, pre-order the course right now. It's $129 versus the $1,200 you would normally pay for it. Now, some people will tell me you're an ASP.NET chill or you just getting, I don't get any money. I actually bought this course and paid for it with my own money because I really believe in what they do, and because I'm learning ASP.NET at work, this is perfect complementary material for me to use while I'm working and learning on the job, because what they offer is a very structured curriculum that I don't have to look around on YouTube, Pluralsight, or Udemy and try to kind of combine curriculum from all the different courses and Frankenstein it together. They offer you a full curriculum and it's going to be amazing. They've been in business for a long time with their bootcamp, and now I'm really amazed that they're offering this class for such a ridiculous deal. If you pay $129 right now and it doesn't work out, that's not a big loss. And maybe tomorrow Bobby will wake up and be like, what the hell I was thinking? This is way too cheap for what we're offering. Let us jack up the price. And by the way, this $129 price is not going to be forever. It's not going to last. I think they have 17 more days at this price. So if you're interested, I'm going to show you the website that you could go to, check them out. So here I am in front of my computer. You could go to http://learn.coderfoundry.com and you will see this landing page. By the way, everybody who's teaching this course, they have 20 years of experience. Now, by the way, I do tutorials online. I am some dude on the internet. I love when you guys watch my tutorials, but I myself don't have 20 years of programming. The fact that these are legitimate developers that became instructors versus instructors who are trying to become developers, this is already amazing and is a great deal. If you go to the pre-purchase page, you see that you get $129 for a full year, and basically you're saving almost $1,100. And the truth here, you get grandfathered in at $129. So next year when you renew, you're not going to renew at $99 a month. You're going to pay $129 for the year, which is amazing. amazing deal, and it's super crazy that that's amazing. As you could see here, 18 more days left. And the reason I wanted to share this with you guys, even though I love React, I will always love React, but in some cases, if you're going to do ASP.NET, I'll tell you a warning before I end this video what you shouldn't do, but you can't go wrong either learning React and getting a job with that path, or choosing ASP.NET and going that path. But more on that in just a minute. And for those of you haters who are going to be like, you're shilling a course, you whatever doing, I don't care. You know, I really like these guys. They do a great job. And here, this is my account. I bought the course. I paid for it with my money. I'm like the early investor. Actually, I just wanted to do it to get the savings. $129. I mean, it's amazing. It's a great deal. You cannot go wrong. So to end this video, I'm just going to give you some final thoughts here. So here's the thing, guys. So the hardest thing about learning to code is making sure that you're learning the right things. And of course, you could go on YouTube and find tutorials. You could use sites like Pluralsight and Udemy. I use all those websites as well. But the issue is that you're literally Frankensteining things together and building your own path. And sometimes you end up learning the wrong things. What I like about this program is that it's going to be really focused curriculum designed for you to land your first job. You're going to build 3 big, awesome portfolio projects, and Bobby will teach you how to utilize those portfolio projects in an interview to get a job. You could actually watch one of his videos on his YouTube channel called Mock Interview. It is actually pretty amazing. He talks about exactly how to position yourself with your portfolio to get a job. I am a big React guy, but this deal is so good. I just have to tell you about it, and you have to make the decision for yourself. For $129, you can't go wrong. Imagine you spend a bunch of money every weekend on beer. Beer is more than 10 bucks a week. That's like 40 bucks a month at least. You know what I mean? Or you're buying cakes or cookies, whatever it is you buy. So for less than 10 bucks a month, or literally 10 bucks a month, you're getting an amazing course where the path is already thought out. All you have to do is do the work, learn what they're teaching, and you will be able to get a job. And it hurts me to say this because I wish there was a React course like this from start to finish, made by people that did the same thing these guys doing. I started as a React developer, but my goal is to get into full stack. Now, of course, as a React developer, I could do full stack with Node.js. JavaScript, I already know. And not saying that it's the wrong path, and a lot of you guys could go that path. Node.js is going to be a given, right? Because I already know JavaScript. But I wanted to hedge against my future. Not only doing web development, but when things start going into AR and VR, C# and Unity is an amazing language to be able to do those things if you desire. So not only are you learning a skill that you could use today, but you're also going to learn the skills that will allow you to transition in other areas with your knowledge of C#. And that's why I doubled down and decided to learn C# as my backend language, because I wanted to make sure that I have all my bases covered. I got JavaScript down. That's how I got my first job. And now I'm going on this journey, becoming a full stack developer with React on the front end and Net5 web APIs, or whatever the future thing's going to be on the back end. And so with that being said, the warning that I want to give you, whatever path you decide, choose one. If you decide to stick with React, then go with React. Do everything React related, build your 5 portfolios, and I have a Slack channel where I talk about the 5 portfolios that we built to showcase your React understanding and help you land a job, and stick with that. If you're going to do ASP.NET and C#, just do that. Follow the MVC patterns. Follow that path first. Don't try to learn React at the same time. Do one or the other. Once you get a job, you can learn those other things. So in my example, React was my path, but once I got my job, started getting paid, I actually get to learn at work. I'm learning ASP.NET with C#. Now, if your path was study ASP.NET, study C#, get your first job, and then you could learn React. The issue is that, especially for me, because I'm older, I can't learn everything at once. Yes, you could learn everything, but not at once. Pick a path, stick to it until you land your job. But for those of you who live in an area where ASP.NET jobs are more prevalent, or you just like ASP.NET and that's where you want to start your development journey, do not miss this course. Do not miss the sale. It is an amazing deal. I got it. And by the way, I'm going to make my videos about the process. And what's cool cool is that if you have any questions about anything you're learning, you could always ask me too. Anyway, that's all I wanted to tell you guys in this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. By the way, I changed my live streams to Saturday at 6 Central US time. So tune in for those. We always have fun, have a blast. And if you missed any of my videos, maybe because I'm not posting them as often because I'm working a lot, which sucks because I do want to make these videos for you, but I also have to pay the bills. Check out some of my older content. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.